taking a couple days off here at American Welding Academy to fly down south to Largo, Florida and make some new friends at the Weld.com studios. We have got an awesome opportunity for you to dip into summer and win my favorite welder, the Fronius MAGICWAVE 230i. My exact setup could be yours for free. Stay tuned to Weld.com and find out all the details of how you can run a MAGICWAVE just like Dabs.
Starting the day off with a 1-inch thick block of steel. This is what we will weld the mirror down to. Before I can do that though, I've got to peel all of this scale off there so we've got a nice surface to weld to. Now I will stitch weld across the perimeter of this entire mirrored plate, number 1, to help hold things flat, number 2, to help absorb and dissipate all the extra surface temperature to where we can pull all of these vivid colors as we're welding through the piece. Now for today's project, we are going to be using 304 12 gauge pre-polished number 8 mirrored stainless. Now here I just have some 1/4 by 1 flat bar stock, obviously mitered in the 45-degree angle. I'm going to dress all of this up, and this will be what makes the perimeter and the frame that helps hold this flat after we've done all of our welding. Okay, so I've taken all the mill scale off here, first off with an 80 grit, then followed it up with a 120 to give us 2 different grinding marks in here to where the color will pull a little differently. I'm going to follow this up with a cutoff wheel. I'm going to lay this across it to really give me some hard, crisp lines and really help break up this pattern to make our frame that much more jazzy. That's ridiculous. The Weiler abrasives here made quick work of our mill scale, and as you can see, we've got a nice, shiny, broken up pattern that's going to take color well and help refract all this light once we get the frame built around our mirrored frame, and it's really going to help catch light and show off our final artwork piece. All right, we've come to the point where we're ready to transfer our image onto the mirror. I'm going to be using an 1/8 ball burr on a Dremel rotary tool, and that'll get us ready to dip into summer. We have our image transposed. Now all that's left to do is to tack this on all 4 corners, weld periodically, and we're ready to go. All right, the time is now. Let's dive in to the Dip into Summer giveaway. Everything I use at home is going to be yours for free. All you have to do is enter to win and follow all of the coordinating sponsors for this event. We've got a nice Fronius torch, full set of Furick consumables, my full MAGICWAVE water-cooled TIG welding package, along with the Vizer Connect hood, the TIG wireless foot pedal package, and the handy welding cart to make moving your MAGICWAVE around your garage absolutely no problem. Moves a lot easier on this cart, I promise. Of course, you get your CK 230 amp Flex-loc head. Special connection, thank to Pete there at CK Worldwide. And of course, the star of the show, my baby and best friend, water-cooled MAGICWAVE 230i. Best in the biz. So here we go. We're going to start going through the network settings of this machine and get our Bluetooth devices hooked up. The Fronius Vizer welding hood, as well as the Bluetooth wireless foot pedal. So we go through the network settings here. We make sure that the Bluetooth is on. Click on Set Up Our Bluetooth Devices. As you can see here, both are already connected. Both have 100% battery, so we're ready to rock and roll. Let's get into it. Today, my wire selection will be Bowler Avesta ER308L 045 diameter AWS A5.9. Now here, I'm just adjusting the tension on the back side of this clamp to make sure my gap across this plate is nice and even. We don't want to overbind this, causing a crown in our mirror. Otherwise, we're not going to have even contact across our whole heatsink. So here we go. Now we are ready to run our stitch welds around the perimeter, and then it's time to pull some rainbows. To remind you guys to dip into summer, I've been busy dabbing my way into summer just to remind you that Fronius Welding USA has 2 awesome giveaways going on right now. If you go to Weld.com, you can find out how to win my entire MAGICWAVE package. If you're not feeling that lucky, Fronius is also doing a $600 rebate with each purchase of a wireless foot pedal or a Bluetooth wireless hood. So what are you waiting for? Get out there and dip into summer with Fronius Welding USA and Weld.com. Thanks for watching today. If you have any questions or need any help, go to our forum and comment with us, Weld.com/forum. If you want to check out exclusive content and member perks, join our channel and support the Weld.com community. I'll see you on the next one. Until then, let's just keep dabbing.